So I haven't hitched up that many times on my own. This is why you buy a guard when you're still learning. But check me out, I'm not far off. Car's packed, caravan's packed. Kids are excited. You all ready to go camping?
Oh yeah!
Yeah.
Mummy, I got one of my poker cards. Mummy, no. Mummy, no.
Whoa, cool.
Guess what?
What?
Mummy, no. Guess what, Moody? I got three cards.
Wow. Okay, all be nice. Right, so we're at the storage yard. Just about to hitch up and go. And Margot is stuffed and we're ready to go. Yeah. I think this is only about the third time, no, a few times now that I've hitched on myself, but I'm really proud of myself, got it lined up really well, and this plate does come really handy because I am still learning, so it does give you a little bit of a breather. But we're all locked on, I've just got to check the lights and then we're ready to go. Very exciting. Are you all ready to go, guys?
Yeah.
Are you excited about camping?
Yeah.
Ooh, yay, whoop, whoop.
Side, do you know where to run when there's nowhere to hide? Can't ignore my thoughts, the truth inside. Oh, do you feel your heart glide? Do you know what to say? Could I help you decide? Explore what's real, the truth can't hide. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not gonna give up easily. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not giving up so easily, so easily. So easily. Your time before you make up your mind. With this mountain to climb, don't turn your back on me now. Make it work somehow. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not gonna give up easily. Doing all I can to be a part of your plan. To be a part of your plan.
And I know what I want from you.
Oh, I hope you're feeling it too.
Can you show me that this is real?
Can you help me to seal the deal?
And I know what you want is true.
'Cause everything I am is you. Don't make me wait too long. Listen to the words of my song. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not gonna give up easily. Doing all I can to be a part of. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not giving up so easily. I'm doing all I can to be a part. 'Cause it's you and me, and I'm not giving up so easily. I'm doing all I can to be a part of your plan. To of your plan. To be a part of your plan.
There's dogs. There's actually dogs over there, and they're so actually sleeping. It's so amazing. Now face at the dogs, please. Yeah, there's actually 100.
Who's on the phone, guys?
That's a beautiful. Dad.
You say morning.
Morning. I'm having my breakfast. I actually wish I'm a baby sea monster, and then it's swim down there. me. Oh my phone.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay. Sit down. Sit down wherever you want. Okay. Okay, around and around.
Say goodbye. Did you have fun?